Chicago. Why are you scared of plastic bags? You're a Rottweiler. Okay, yeah, I'm picking up dog poop, but I have to. And yeah, I freaking hate it. Freaking hate it. She don't even know. Nope. Ew. Alright, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. It's my very first video, probably not even gonna put it on YouTube. It's out my camera and editing software thing that was free. Oh, outro. I should get an outro song, huh? Because all the good YouTubers have an outro song. What's for Tanner Fox. Funk Bros' outro and intro are like on point. They recently changed it, and it's okay. I kind of like the other one better, but I like all of them, so keep doing what you're doing. Love y'all. Tanner Brungart, yeah, he's got amazing outro. Okay. Alright, thank you guys all for watching this video. If you liked this video, leave a like. Got something to say? Leave a comment. That's it from me. Later.